we have to iron out the wrinkles on the payments between the difference between e-com and face-to-face, like the fraud variation, the user experience, the abandonment, all of those things. So we we expect to lean in on device-based biometric authentication. It gives you the security, it gives you higher confidence, the issuer's higher confidence in the information, and a greater opportunity for approval. So it's proving the consumer is the card holder, which is from Visa's point of view, we have Visa payment passkeys, which is the authentication method, and it stays with the device and it recognizes the device as well. So it's recognizing the consumer and the device as having been set up for that payment passkey. So for David McGuinness's sort of payment models where you have stored credentials and everything on file, then you can have tokenization. We expect to take the payment account numbers, those 16-digit numbers off the front of your card. We want them out of the system because the transaction itself may be fine from a fraud point of view. Maybe it's authenticated, but it introduces risk of data breaches. We've seen it in a number of sort of merchant environments and big headline stories. There was one in Ireland a little while ago, and all over the newspapers it says, contact your bank, cancel your card, which is just, it's a nightmare for the issuer, for the consumer, and it's bad press for the merchant in that space as well. Where if the credential is tokenized and stored, if there's a data breach, it only affects the token. It doesn't affect the plastic. Everybody can, we can quietly move on with our lives, and the consumer is protected and the environment is protected. So we expect by 2030 to have effectively taken those payment account numbers out of the system and fully tokenized.